In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices in Airtable. This is a step-by-step guide to setting up a relational database for managing your invoices efficiently, with a structure that allows easy tracking and a professional touch to your invoicing process. Let's dive into it. We'll start by creating a clients table. This forms the foundation of your invoicing system as it holds all your client information. In this table, you'll want to include fields like client name, email, phone, address, and company name. These fields ensure you have all the essential contact details at your fingertips. For instance, you could enter John Smith with his respective email address. Think of this table as your virtual Rolodex. Next, set up a products or services table. This table will help you list everything you offer, along with their prices. Include fields like product name, price, description, and tax rate. As an example, if you offer website design, you might set the price at $500. Having this table allows you to quickly pull up any product or service your client needs, making the billing process seamless. Now let's move on to creating an invoices table. This is where the real work happens. You'll want to add fields such as invoice number, client, which will be a linked record, invoice date, due date, status, subtotal, tax, and total. Here, formulas come into play for calculations. These fields ensure every invoice is comprehensive and complete with all necessary details. Following that, create an invoice items table. This table is essential for handling multiple line items per invoice. Include fields like invoice linked to the invoices table, product or service, quantity, unit price, and line total. The line total will be calculated with a formula where you multiply quantity by unit price. This allows you to always accurately tally up what each client owes you. Linking the tables together is crucial as it creates a cohesive relational invoice system. Use linked record fields to connect invoice items to invoices, invoice items to products, and invoices to clients. This integration ensures that each part of your invoicing process is synchronized, reducing errors and saving time. Now focusing back on the invoices table, use rollups and formulas to enhance functionality. Roll up all line totals, calculate taxes, and determine the grand total. For example, utilize a formula like subtotal plus tax to achieve this. This step ensures your invoice is always accurate, providing clarity to you and your clients. Finally, unleash your creativity by designing the invoice layout. This is your opportunity to personalize how your invoices appear, ensuring they represent your brand professionally. With a tailored invoice design, you leave a lasting impression on your clients, reinforcing your commitment to quality. And that's it. You're ready to start efficiently managing your invoices in Airtable. Following these steps will bring a structured, professional approach to your business invoicing process, enabling you with organization and scalability. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck with your new invoicing setup.